Hey y'all, Crafting with Shay here. I have a new artist from Munimade to show you guys today, and she's got 3 new paintings being released from this artist. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you all 3 paintings, okay? This is the first one. Look, I love her artwork. Let's talk about the artist first since she is new, okay? Her name is Karii, and she is out of the UK. She's a brand new artist to Munimade. Her art, I would say, is like colorful. It's all things cute, warm, kind, and happy. I love her images. You will see in all 3 today. Definitely go follow her on Instagram. I went and looked at her Instagram, and I hope Munimade comes out with even more of her artwork in diamond painting form because it is adorable. She also has an Etsy shop. So, and a lot of these images are actually magnets, so we can use them as cover minders. So definitely, check out her Etsy shop. And I'll have it linked down below. These 3 paintings, her Etsy shop, and her Instagram. Okay, so definitely go check her out. All right, let's talk about the first painting here. Okay, again, her name is Karii, but she goes by Karii Illustrations, so Karii Illustrations. Okay, and look at this. This is called Let Your True Colors Shine, and you've got this this adorable rainbow. And I realized right when I started filming, the bouquet of flowers that our little baby is holding here is little sun and cloud flowers. You'll see that, and then there's some hearts. I love this. Look at the blue background. Her artwork just makes me happy. It really does. It's so colorful. So let's talk about some of the details of this particular painting, okay? It is a round, okay? It's got 23,980 drills. The size is awesome. It's a 47 by 40 in centimeters, and there's your SKU number. It does have 50 colors, and in addition to that, with those 50 colors, we've got 9 special drills. Yes, 9 in a 40 by 47. I was shocked. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these shimmer drills, which are right here, and I'll show you guys where those go in just a minute. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. Okay, now this entire sheet is a sticker. So what I do is I just cut it in half, and I use this for my logbook. You can put your start date and your end date. And then these stickers are awesome. They are individually cut, so you just peel them right off and put them on your storage containers when you're pouring your diamonds into storage containers. And then she also gives you some extra ones too. And I also like that if you want just the symbol, it's got its own separate sticker, okay, if you don't want the DMC and the symbol and the number, okay? And I like how the special drills are also highlighted in a separate color. So yes, okay, let's look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Now the eyes. The eyes are what are getting me. They are just, oh my gosh, I love it. I'm going to be working on this one. It is the cutest thing ever. All right, so let's look at the color palette, okay? So her drills do come individually bagged and in order. So if you don't want to kit up, meaning you don't want to move your drills over to a storage container, you can just work straight out of baggies if you wanted to. But I love all the happy colors. We've got some blue, yellow, oranges, pinks, blue. It's the rainbow. Get it? The rainbow of colors. I love it. All right, so I did pull out our special drills, okay? So let's go ahead and see where those go. Let's start with the shimmers, okay? So those, we've got 42. Now, if you're new to Munimade, shimmer, let me get up as close as I can. It's a very, very light coating that are on top of the drills to make them, it's just like a little dusting, okay? This is a really pretty yellow, so this is 445. Let me bring up the diamond painting a little bit closer for y'all so you can see a little more detail. So it's going to be, it's that square with the line through it, so it's going to be that light kind of through here, some of those. I do see a little bit on the sun, so it's almost like it's a reflection of like some of the light hitting off of some of the colors, okay? I do see some over here as well in the rainbow. So yeah, it's just going to be a little dusting, okay, of those. Perfect. And I'll go ahead and put these, I'll try to put them where I think they go. I know they're kind of going to be throughout. This is another shimmer drill, and it's a 740. It's a really pretty orange. And that one is the check mark. All right, I do see that. It's going to be right here in that orange. So all through here and all through here. I also see some right here in the orange of the suns, all on that side. And oh, I do see some down here. Oh, this one's going to be so cute. I'm just so excited about this one, you guys. All right, whoops, I'm moving them. This one's kind of going to be right here. I don't want to cover up the painting though. All right, our next one is a green. It's 907, so it's another shimmer drill. And that's the 2 dots. Okay, so let's look for some lime green. Up right here. All this green. And And let me see if I see it anywhere else. Nope, I basically see it right here. Okay, so in the green of that one, oh, this is really pretty. 3766, like a kind of a turquoise color. So you have another shimmer drill, and you can see they say ND right there. And that is the arrow, kind of the down arrow. And that is going to be up right here in those clouds. Yep, I see it here, here, here. So it's going to be highlighting some of the clouds, okay? All right, and our last shimmer drill is 3865. It's a white, and that's that symbol. So I do see some here, kind of like in the clouds. Oh, all on the outside right here, all that white and all this white. Oh, that's going to be so pretty. And here, okay, so kind of on the outside of the rainbow. Oh, and there's some here as well. A lot. There's a lot of these. Okay. Yeah. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love it. I love it so much. Okay. We also, let's go to the ABs now. Okay. Now you can see the coating on the ABs is a little bit stronger. That's Aurora Borealis. It's a special coating they put on these drills. This is 209. It's a great purple, very popular purple. And that is the diamond. I see some of the purple right here in this bottom. I see it kind of sprinkled through here and here. Okay, so that's all I really see. So it's going to be in this area. Look at how, I like how when you set the drills where they're going to go, you get a feeling for it covering the entire canvas. Oh, this is a big bag. This is 741 AB, and that is the star. Okay, I do see a lot of stars. Now, the stars, I do see them sprinkled down here in some of the orange. Okay, I also see them all through this orange strip right here, all in this orange and here. I see them in right here on this sun. See them all through here. Oh, this orange is just going to be all over, you guys. But I'm going to say right here for now. All right, we have another one, 972. It's a different shade of orange. Let's see the difference. Yeah, it's more of like a yellow orange, more of a coppery color. 972, and that's the percent sign. Okay, I do see a lot of that as well. I see it in this bright, it's in the suns. Yep. All through here. I also see some down here. So wherever you see that pop of yellow, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to say right here in the center. Wow, they really just covered. All right, our last AB is 3801, and that is a little anchor. Okay, it's all that red sparkle kind of sprinkled down here and through here. Okay, also see it in here. And let me see if I see it anywhere else. Yep, all through this red right here and here. Oh, so we're just going to put like down there. Look at this, you guys. Do you love this? Let me also show you for this painting, if you do the optional add-ons, the bag that has been chosen for this one, you will get a medium blue bag. Okay, and this is a dust cover bag that you can do an add-on for. It's a great bag. It's got your painting can go in here, and it's got drawstrings, keeps it protected while you're storing it, traveling with it. So you'll get a blue bag with it. And then now with a Munimade, with all of these, you do get a free toolkit if you have to opt in for one. We don't want to waste. A lot of people already have toolkits and don't need them. So it is free. You just have to click on the box that you want a toolkit if you need one. Okay, so those always come with them. But if you want to upgrade to a beautiful Munimade 3D printed tray, the color that you will get is hot pink. Okay, so you'll get a small hot pink tray. Now it will be a lot bigger than this. This is just a swatch color, just a sample. But you'll get a hot pink tray with it, a small one. It'll have a lid and a stopper. Okay, you'll get that as well. So that's this one. And again, it's called Let Your True Colors Shine. All right, so let's move on to the next one. I'll be right back. All right, our next one from Karii Illustrations is called Mama Bear. Look at this image, you guys. It's got the bear, the mama bear and the baby with all these beautiful blue flowers surrounding them. They're on the moon. It is just gorgeous. I love, love, love it. Now, the last one we looked at was a round. This one is a square. Okay, so for all you square lovers, let's go ahead and look at this one. It's a square, great size, 40 by 42 in centimeters. It's got 40 colors. And out of those 40 colors, we've got 4 ABs. Okay, I do have the ABs right here. So we have a really pretty yellow, a 445, 518, a blue. We have a 948, like a peach color, and then we have 5200, which is a white. Okay, but let me go ahead and show y'all the color palette. It's going to have some browns, of course, and some blues and some grays. Dark blue, like it's some navy blue. Love these colors. And again, that SKU numbers, if you want to store these separately, you'll know what drills go to what painting. Okay, so we have the color list here. And again, this is called Mama Bear. All right, so let's go ahead and see where the special drills go in this one. Oh, I love this one too. So this is 445, okay? And it's that really pretty yellow. So that one is the and sign. So that one is going to be kind of, again, a lot of highlighting in the lighting of these paintings, which I really do like that. It's this right here. It's kind of speckled throughout. There's a big area right here to kind of highlight this part of the moon. So I see it here, all through here. I also see some kind of down through here. So it's kind of going to be in the moon area, okay? But I'm going to say right here is where I see a majority of it. All right, the next one is 518. This is a really big bag. I was so excited where I saw where these go. This is in the blue flowers. Yes, you guys. It is that and sign. So it's going to be all in these blue flowers. All in this one. I mean, all the blue flowers will be this 518 AB. So let's say right here, okay, for those flowers. And then 948, it's kind of peach color. This is going to be in the stars. Yes. So all these specks that you see right here, all these little dots that you see here, all over here. I also see some down here. There's also highlighting. I do see some here, kind of in the lighting right here of this flower area where the moon is all going to be this 948. So we're going to put them right here because that's going to highlight the sky. And then we've got this big bag of 5200 AB. This is going to outline those blue flowers. Yes, so you're going to have this in the inside and that on the outside. Look at that. Yes, so all the outline, all that white that you see, and all these flowers, even the flower on the bear, all through here will all be that white AB. So if you decide to upgrade, okay, there's some optional add-ons. Again, we're going to do the medium-size blue dust cover bag. For this painting, we thought the blue matched the flowers really well, okay? So you can add that. And if you want to upgrade your tray, we chose small mint tray to go with this, okay? And again, it will be bigger than this. This is just a swatch, and it will have a lid and a stopper. So if you want to upgrade, you can do that, okay? All right, I'll be right back with the third one. All right, here is our third diamond painting from Munimade from the artist Karii Illustrations. It's another beautiful, happy, colorful. The eyes are what get me every time. These clouds' eyes and the rainbow's eyes are just adorable. This one's called Knit Your Way to Happiness. Look at the cloud. Oh my gosh. Are those his little legs and his little feet? It's so cute. And look at it's knitting. It's got all the flowers. It's got some ladybugs. Ladybug up here. It's just, again, the colors are just so, so happy. All right, so this is another square. So square lovers out there, this is for you. Let's see, it's got 62,400 diamonds. The size, it's a little bit bigger than the other ones I've shown you so far. This is a 60 by 65 in centimeters. So if you like them a little bit bigger, this one's perfect. It has 66 colors. And out of those 66, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shimmer drills and 1, 2, 3 ABs. Okay, so I will show you where those go. But first, let me just kind of show you the entire painting. Okay, I'm trying to get it all in frame. But yeah, you've got the cloud right here. The eyes. The eyes are like, oh, I love that. Look at all the colors. I love all the yellows, reds, pinks, purples, blues. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right, so let me show you guys where all the special drills go. Oh, but before we do that, let's go ahead and look at the color palette. Okay, has quite a bit look at these drills. I mean, this is a rainbow of drills right here. The drills look so good. There's so much yellow, orange, just all the happy colors. So, depending on what your favorite color is, it's probably going to be in here. Yes, so that's the drills. Okay, and again, they're all individually bagged. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and see where these go. Let's start with the shimmer drills. So we have a 666, and you can see that coating on there. Just a little bit of a dusting. Very, very pretty. All right, that one's going to be the music sign. Wherever you see red inside the ladybug right here on its back, it's going to be there. It's highlighting. It's in all the centers of all the ladybugs. Okay, I also noticed it right here, a little bit of red. It's all throughout these flowers over here and over here. Again, it's in the wings of this ladybug. All in these ladybugs is going to be that 666 shimmer drill. So it's really going to highlight those red areas, okay, where all the ladybugs are. And, oh, I love this 741 shimmer drill. That's a lot of them. All right, and that's that one. All right, so this one is all throughout the painting. Wherever I look, I see it. Well, not everywhere, but quite a bit. It's outlining this right here. Now, I don't knit, so I don't know what these things are called. The things. M's probably going to kill me. But yeah, I don't know. But it's highlighting it's got kind of outlining this area, okay? And then if we're moving down, I do see it all throughout here. It's all surrounding all these little circles. In here, here, it's just everywhere I look. It's just kind of, this is going to be all throughout the painting. Oh, that's right. Let me put these where they go. So I'm going to put this at the ladybug right there. And this is going to be kind of just all throughout. That orange is just beautiful. All right, then we've got a blue 798 shimmer drill. And this one is actually, I do see it's like a lighter blue. So where you see this blue coming down right here, it's going to be all sprinkled throughout this blue. So I'm going to put it right there. And the next one is that question mark. And this is really pretty. It's almost like a brown, like a 3778, and that's another shimmer drill. That's the question mark. The question mark is going to be here, kind of underneath the cloud's chin. I do see some here. I see it over here, and this kind of outlining this area of the cloud over here. So yeah, and then there's some also right here. So I'm going to put it over in this area. And our last shimmer drill is 3865. Again, it's that white color. And okay, I love this one. This is going to be, you guys, up in the sky. So I see it right here, these little dots. And then it's also outlining this entire cloud. This entire outline is all this right here. I also see some here, a big area here and here. So it's just going to be so pretty. Oh, I do see several right here. So again, it's just going to kind of be highlighting the cloud. Kind of, we'll just put them right there. All right, so let's talk about the ABs now. There are 3 ABs. We've got 208, I told you that's a really popular purple. Then we have 740, really pretty orange, and a 3846. Okay, so this one, the purple, it's an up arrow. And let's go to the purple section down here where all the flowers are. I do see it all throughout here. Okay, so that's where the purple is going to be. And then our next one is that orange, and it's that 740, and it's like these little trees, and I see a lot of them over here in this orange. So we're going to put that there. And then our last one is 3846, and that's the $sign. And I see a lot of it down here in the blue over in this area. Look at this. Look at this cutie pie. And especially if you're a knitter, even if you're not a knitter, this one is adorable. So cute. I love it, love it, love it. All right, so if you're wanting to upgrade your toolkit, you will get a large pastel green tray. So this is the color of the tray. I love that she picked this color. It will be a lot larger than this, of course, with a lid and a stopper. Okay, so you'll get that if you want to upgrade your tray. If you want to purchase a dust bag, you will get the extra large purple. That's the one she chose for this one, which I think is perfect. Okay, and of course, there is the telescoping tubes, the carrying tubes. Another optional add-on that you can include in your order, which if you order one of these carrying tubes, your painting will actually ship inside of this, okay? This is a carrying tube. It's got the Munimade logo there. It is telescoping, and it's got the carrying strap, which also is adjustable, which is great. But yeah, depending on the size of your painting, I use mine all the time to go to a friend's house to diamond paint, to travel. They're wonderful. So you can also add this to your order, okay? All right, and of course, with all of the Munimade paintings, they all come with a tag. The tag has got all the information on there with a picture of the painting. It's great because you can wrap it around the strap of your tube. You can wrap it around your painting when it's rolled up so you'll know what's what. So I love these tags. They really come in handy. They're great, and I like how they have the rubber band strap around them. So, all right. Y'all know, if you've been here before, if you're hearing my voice and seeing this image, guess what? All 3 of these Karii illustration paintings are available now. Okay, so right here, you see it below. It's available on munimade.com. Go check out them. Thanks for watching. Be sure and give this video a thumbs up before you head out. It really does help. And if you have not subscribed, definitely subscribe and hit that notification bell because there are more paintings coming and you want to get the video and you want to know what's coming next. So enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye guys.